Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ramey. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to be recording a video of myself along with showing you probably see two screens. So we are going to do a Scholastic News today. And I'm going to walk you through and your families through how to log in and how to get to the story. I'll read the story to you just like we do in class. We'll go over vocabulary words, the video, read the paper, we'll do some work, and then at the end you can play the game. So I want you to start off with your screen to be on Google. You might see mine looks a little bit different because these are all my favorite pages. But as long as you're on Google and it says Google here, you're going to go to your search engine and you are going to type in Scholastic News, and then you want the number 1 there. You're going to hit enter. Over here and click. You'll see it says Scholastic 1. You're going to click on it. And it logs me in. So I am going to, oh, no, it didn't. Good. So I'm going to click on login for you guys. And you're going to click on that you are a student. And the password is going to be my last name, Ramay, Rimays, kids. You are all my kiddos, and we're going to sign in. Now keep in mind with these videos, you can push pause at any time and you can rewind it and you can rewatch. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to scroll up here and we're going to go to April since we're still in April. And I decided that we would read about Recycle That Gum. So we're going to click on that. That will come up. And just like in class, the first thing we're going to go over are the vocabulary words. So our very first vocabulary word that we'll have, which are new words that are in bold that we'll see throughout the story. The first word is recycle, and here is our definition.
Recycle. Break down old things like glass, plastic, cans, and newspapers so they can be used to make new things.
The next word is mold.
Mold. A mold is a kind of container. When you pour liquid into a mold, the liquid may harden. Then it becomes the shape of the mold. These molds make heart-shaped chocolates.
The next word is communities.
Communities. Places where people live, work, and play together.
And the last word is solution.
Solution. The answer to a problem. For example, if the problem is that something's spilled, the solution is to clean it up.
Okay, so that was our last vocabulary word. And we will hear those words in our story as we read. The next part, we always watch the video second. So let's take a look at the video.
Hooray for Earth Day! In your town, would you rather have this river or this one? Would you rather have this playground or this one? Would you rather breathe this air or this air? Believe it or not, in the past there were no rules or laws about keeping the earth clean. People could litter anywhere they wanted, and dangerous chemicals could be poured into rivers and streams. But what does it mean for the earth to be clean and healthy? It means there's no litter on the ground. Animals can get sick if they eat litter. It means the air is clean. People and animals need clean air to breathe. It means there are plenty of trees. Trees help clean the air. They are also homes for many animals. A healthy earth also means there is clean water. We all need clean water to drink, and fish and other sea animals need a clean place to live. Luckily, many people have realized how important it is to keep the earth clean and healthy. Now we have laws to protect the Earth, and people around the world celebrate Earth Day every April 22nd. They plant trees, they clean up, they show how they care about the Earth. But we don't have to wait until Earth Day to care for our home. What can you do every day to help the Earth? You can throw your garbage in a trash can instead of throwing it on the ground. Did you know that paper is made from trees? You can save trees by using less paper. Draw on both sides instead of just one. Sometimes plastic bags blow into the ocean. You can use reusable bags instead of plastic ones when you go shopping. Thanks for keeping the Earth healthy. It's the only one we've got.
Okay, so then the next thing we go over to is where it says listen and read. And here we can actually read the whole story, and we're going to do it on level. And when you get to this page, you're going to take your little cursor up top where it's yellow. You'll see me circling. And we're going to read aloud.
Recycle that gum. Have you ever stepped in gum? It's gross. Gum on sidewalks is a yucky problem. A scientist named Anna Bullis decided to help fix it. How did she do it? As you read, think about how Anna helped fix the problem step by step.
Then there's an arrow over here to the side. It's yellow, light up. That opens your paper for you.
A sticky problem. Scientist Anna Bullis wanted to help fix the problem of gum on sidewalks. So she found a way to recycle gum. This is how she did it, step by step. Anna Bullis. Step 1. She learned about gum. Anna couldn't recycle gum without learning about it. She learned that gum is made out of a kind of rubber. People use rubber to make things like boots and balls. Anna thought she could use gum to make things too. Step 2. She recycled the gum. Anna took some old gum and heated it up. She mixed plastic into it. That made it stronger. Then Anna used a mold. A mold is a hard container. She poured the soft, warm gum into the hard mold. She wanted to give the gum a new shape. The gum cooled and hardened. It was a new shape. Anna had done it. She had recycled the gum into something new. Anna heated the gum until it was soft. Step 3. She helped clean up communities. Anna knew she could recycle a lot of gum. She started a company to do just that. The company hangs up pink plastic balls in different communities. People put their chewed up gum in the balls. They don't throw it on the ground. When the balls are full, Anna's company collects them. It recycles the gum inside. It turns the gum into new things. Anna had found a smart solution to a sticky problem. The chewed up gum goes in the slot.
Okay, so
They're made with gum.
Sorry.
Here are some of the things Anna's company makes out of gum. Boots, pencils, cups, rulers.
Okay, so as you see, we finished the story, and up top we see our vocabulary words. We have recycle, mold, communities, and solution. And we know those are our words because they are a different color. They're bold and yellow. So then we're going to click onto the next page to the back. Now this is a graph and a chart, and you will read this over, and the gum is the only thing we can recycle. Gum isn't the only thing we can recycle. Read the chart, then click the bubbles for the correct answer. So you will see we have a recycle chart. The top line says type of recyclables: a shampoo bottle, a soup can, and a juice bottle. What is it made of? The shampoo bottle is made of plastic. The soup can is made of metal. The juice bottle is made of glass. The last section, what can it be turned into? Here, the shampoo bottle can be made into toys, buckets, and new plastic bottles. The metal soup can you can make car parts, bike parts, and new cans. And then the glass jar from the juice bottle, you can make new glass bottles and jars. So what I want you to do for your assignment is to read the questions with someone in your family if you need help and find the answers. And Mrs. Romay will do the first one, but I want you guys to do the rest of them on your own. So number 1 says, what can be turned into new plastic bottles? What is something that can be turned into a plastic bottle? So we're going to look up here. This was the shampoo bottle made of plastic. A shampoo bottle, a soup can, or a juice bottle. So we're going to click on the shampoo bottle. It is made from plastic, and you can make a new toy, bucket, or plastic bottle. And you just click on it. You can also use your finger if you have a touch screen, and that will answer it for you. So that is my lesson for today. Know that when this is sent, you guys can re-watch it if you need some help, especially with the logging in process. That's the first time you're doing it, so you may need some help. And remember, the password is Remay's Kids. It's also on many of the forms. And as always, if you need help with this, please call me or text me, email me, however we're communicating at this time, and we will go from there. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.